In October of 2009, Alejandra Guzman had received devastating news when she was at the point of death due to a product that was injected into her buttocks to increase the size. Although her story touched many people, she has not been the only victim to fall into the same trap. 6 years ago, WILMA SEPULVEDA met a supposed dermatologist from the Dominican Republic who convinced her to get some cosmetic procedures done. She simply told me that I should refresh my face. She said that I had nice lips, so the only thing that she would do was to put vitamins and minerals on them, and that would give me a fresh look. After this incident, the life of Wilma, who was a beautiful woman, has been tragic due to the unknown substance that was injected to her lips that were deformed to the point that she could not eat correctly. Trying to drink any type of liquid always had to be with a straw, because if not, then I would go through the embarrassment of it seeping out through the sides of my mouth. I just wish I could get some type of scissors and cut them off because they've bothered me so much. Another similar incident happened to DALIA ALONSO, where another woman had injected a product that was imported from Colombia. She had recommended to remove some wrinkles with some type of Botox, but it wasn't Botox. She told me the name of the product, and I even looked it up on the internet, and everything showed that it was safe. The following day after the product was injected, her face had swelled up, and the areas were hardened where the product was injected. Today, both DALIA and WILMA have put their hope in the hands of Dr. Antun, who is trying to work with patients who have become victims of these fraudulent cosmetic procedures. It's been used, and I have seen it with my own eyes, because patients have come to me personally. The oil used on airplanes was injected into the skin. Also, olive oil that is used for cooking has been injected into the skin, simply to make a few extra dollars, but it also destroys a person's life. The thing is that most of these products are derived from plastic, which can move to different areas of the body after being injected, including the brain, liver, pancreas, lungs, and capillaries. He showed us some of the foreign substances that are used to be injected. This substance here is a cooling gel used for when giving massages. These are substances that are injected into the body in the real world. This one also is used, but it's a product used for the hair. If you look there, it says hair product. It's brought to the United States or brought from other countries either by shipping or someone brings it in their suitcase. For years, doctors have been trying to help these victims with steroid injections and surgery, but have not had a successful outcome. However, Dr. Antun, for the first time, is using a cool laser to treat these types of cases. What it does is that it dissolves all the particles in that area, 99% of the time. That patient does not even know what was injected into the skin. So once it's dissolved by the laser, what we do is aspirate it. Even though the patient is told that some particles can remain in the body, the patient should know that one particle that stays in the body can be a particle that causes problems to the patient in the future. After the particles are aspirated from the patient and the procedure is completed, the substances are sent to the lab to be examined. In their cases, the substances were encapsulated with illegal substances. We do not know what product it was, but that laboratory advised us that the substances were made of dissolved plastic. Both patients have received around 10 treatments, but DALIA has received better results since her incident happened recently, unlike Wilma, who should continue on with more treatments, and she is more optimistic today with the results that she has received. Recently, I've been able to drink normally and enjoy my cup of coffee, juices, and I see that I don't need to use a straw if I don't want to. Experts say that Wilma will most probably need surgery to remove the excess skin on her lips that, with time, have been stretched out. We need to understand that these procedures are expensive, but it is better that they are done under the supervision of medical professionals and done with products well known. Using products that are inexpensive or recommended by a friend can cost you your life. In Miami, Cecilia Ramirez Harris, Univision.